repeat. You will have a 10-second time limit in which to answer each question.
You're watching E4. An emergency announcement will follow shortly. You're watching E4. An emergency announcement will follow shortly. You're watching E4, where we must interrupt Big Brother Live to bring you an emergency announcement. We regret to inform you that there have been multiple bombings in the Westminster area, one of which was in close proximity to Downing Street. The safety of Tony Blair and other government officials has been thrown into question. We urge all citizens to remain calm and stay indoors until further notice. If you are in the Westminster area, please evacuate immediately and follow the instructions of emergency services. We ask that all citizens avoid the Westminster area until the situation has been resolved. Please do not approach the scene of the bombings or interfere with the work of emergency services. We will provide updates on the situation as they become available. We urge everyone to stay tuned to the news and follow any instructions given by authorities. Our thoughts are with those affected by this tragedy, and we thank the emergency services for their swift response in this difficult situation. This is an update from E4 regarding the recent bombings in Westminster. We have just received news that Tony Blair has been safely evacuated from London, but the situation remains very fluid and uncertain. The latest reports suggest that the bombings may have been a diversionary tactic, designed to draw attention away from a potential threat to the Prime Minister's location. There are unconfirmed reports that the trail of the perpetrators leads away from London and towards Blair's location. We urge all citizens to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity to the authorities. If you have any information that may be helpful in this investigation, please come forward and share it with the police. We are working to gather more information about this developing situation, and we will bring you updates as they become available. Our thoughts are with everyone affected by this tragic event, and we urge everyone to stay safe and follow the instructions of the authorities. This is E4. We will now be returning to the Big Brother house in a few moments. But for more information on this story, please tune to Channel 4 right now.
Well, actually, technically... Oh, God, no. Let's
No, I know, honey. Don't worry. Gotcha.
I'm really scared.
Why?
I don't know, I'm just totally para, because, like, obviously, I don't know what people are going to think.
What? About...
Because, like,
You used to be a man.
well, no, I'm still gay.
Oh, you're still...
Yeah.
Fuck it. Who cares about it?